what that does. And here I got a pair of pliers there that just got some rust on it that I just wanted to clean up. And you can see it's got precision tools there where you can get into smaller spots, and it took all that rust and stuff off of it. Hey guys, are you looking for a rotary tool accessory kit? Well, check this out. This is a 420 piece rotary tool accessory kit that will fit a 1/8 inch Dremel tool. There are accessories in here for cutting, polishing, grinding, pretty much anything you need to do with your rotary tool. So let's get a closer look at this thing and see it in action. And now I'm just going to try the drill bit. And you can see how that the drill bits are really nice and sharp. It goes right through that. Perfect. And then I get the sanding part. There's a sanding wheel there, and it makes that so much easier. You can see how quick that just comes right off of there. It attaches to your tool. Enough good. And here's a piece of PVC pipe, and you can see it makes light work of that. That cutting disc is great. Well, I hope my video helps you out, and thanks for watching.